Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your club facilities using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginners new into this game, still confused how you can create your own tactic and how you can manage your clubs. So let's get started. Before you use your in-game editor, make sure you activate the in-game editor before starting new game and check out on the setting button, tap view, tap unlockables, this one in-game editor active. So make sure this in-game editor is on or active. Let's get back. After that, if your in-game editor active, you can see at the bottom of your screen there is a yellow button that you can tap the edit button here. So in this in-game editor, you can upgrade anything about your club. For example, the facilities itself. You can tap the facilities, so you can upgrade your facilities. This is, for example, I'm managing Manchester United, and our training facilities is state of the art and youth facilities is top. So you can downgrade to be superb and excellent, impressive, great, good. And you can upgrade by tap the plus button here to the very top, that is state of the art and top youth, tap tap top youth facilities. So good luck. Make sure the in-game editor is active. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.